Hello.
Yes, sir.
So my slide is visible to everyone?
Sir, visible.
Because for the other stuff, drugs are there. You should know that for diseases like cancer also, there are drugs. Why should you avail magnetic nanocarriers to transport drug? There are several drug delivery vehicles reported in the literature, but still we look for newer and new drug carriers. Why? And if somebody is saying that they have a good report of their research work on drug carriers, why is it not translated to application? Why doesn't it come to the
anions in industry? Naturally, the effluent will be discharged out. It enters into the environment. There is a very much chance for the anion to enter into our body through water, air, and soil, so that it becomes a harmful pollutant. Sir, is all anions are pollutants? No. See here, I have listed 3 anions: acetate, chloride.
Good afternoon to all. So first of all, I would like to thank the organizing committee of Postgraduate Department of Chemistry, NGM College, Pollachi, and my sincere thank to Dr. K. Pungudi Madam, Postgraduate Department of Chemistry, NGM College and Pollachi, for inviting me to deliver this lecture. So today my topic entitled Developing Novel Electrocatalyst Materials by Understanding Their Structure-Performance Relationships. So before going to my topic, so we see some outline of this lecture, starting from introduction of electrocatalysis and some fundamental.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So, good morning, friends. This is a continuation of my previous lecture, yesterday's lecture. Metal complexes. In the title, it is given as metal complexes as ion sensors. But here in the presentation, I have given as fluoride ion sensor. Since I am going to concentrate only on fluoride ions, I have modified the title little. Okay.
Now it is visible, sir.
Yes, visible now, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, I rechecked it. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
So please tell me when to start, then that time I will start immediately.
Sir, still the people are admitting, sir.
Yeah, no problem. Just you tell me, then I will start then. That
Okay,
time.
after 5 minutes.
Yeah, I'm just waiting.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Sir's research interests are in designing and fabrication of functional materials, interfacial engineering in dye-sensitized solar cells, photocatalysis for environmental remediation and photoelectrocatalysis for solar fuels, 2D layered materials for electrochemical sensors. So completed 2 research projects and having 4 ongoing projects in reputed funding agencies like CSIR, DST, SERB, etc. Sir is guiding 5 PhD scholars, 2 postdoc fellows and 1 research associate. He published 132 high impact paper and edited many books and also written book chapters. Sir is having more than 4,494 citation with amazing 39H index. Sir is member of American Nano Society and editor in Advanced Journal of Physical Science, assistant editor in International Journal of Research in Engineering and Technology, referee for RSC Advances Chemical Communication.
People, when they have identified silicon in the earth, they have started to utilize on many devices. With the help of that, we have got many modern advanced technological devices with the help of silicon-based materials. So from the year 1962 till that, we have received many numerous number of modern devices which made up of silicon-based materials. So coming back to the nanosensor technology, you are all aware of that. The technology which deals in the power of 10 power minus 9, that is called the nanosensor technology. So this nanosensor technology which deals about preparation of the material which is in the nano range. It may be nanosensor.
Sorry for the interferences. Dr. Jayabal sir explained about plasma nanomaterials and their structure activity relationship, platinum nanocomposites and its various applications. How DFT studies helps to improve the electrocatalyst